Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene. Well, it's been a little while since I have done a video. Time flies so quick when you're busy, but needless to say, everything is good and I am ready to get back into business. So right here, my friends, we are making a Chipotle, if you know that restaurant, a Chipotle style brown rice, which is cilantro and lime brown rice. It's absolutely delicious, super easy to make, very healthy, and it comes together in a flash. So now let's walk over to the really basic ingredients to get this started. Alright guys, now let's begin. I'm just going to show you what you're going to need to cook the brown rice. Super simple. Right here I have a 2-pound bag, which is roughly about 4.5 cups of long grain brown rice. I have some salt to taste, and then I have about 2 tablespoons, between 2 and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and some water. This is all you're going to need to cook our brown rice in. Now let's start this process first. Alright my friends, in a nice small saucepan we are going to put in the brown rice. Now I didn't rinse off my brown rice. I feel like it doesn't need to. It really doesn't do anything to it actually. And so right now I have the brown rice in here. And I usually don't rinse off my brown rice. I do definitely with my white rice, but the brown rice I don't. Brown rice is a particular kind of grain that you could pretty much mess up if you don't cook it properly. I feel that in order to get a nice fluffy, it needs more water, and definitely you need to salt it and add some oil so that way it doesn't become okay my friends sticky. So this is the 5th cup of water, and with brown rice you would need much more water than you do with white rice. So here it goes. As you can see, it is about 4 cups, right? 4.5 cups of brown rice to 5 cups of water. Then we're going to season it up with some salt to your likings, okay? And then the oil. The oil is going to prevent it from being stick together. It's going to make it nice and fluffy. And then that's really about it. You want to cook this on a medium high, and then when the water is almost dried out, which I'm going to show you when we get to that part, then we'll cover it. So I see you right back. Alright guys, so you see how much the water had evaporated. It took about what, 20-25 minutes, give or take. Now you see there's a tiny bit water right in the end. Well, first and foremost, you want to stir everything all together. And at this moment, even with that tiny bit of water that's in the bottom, which I don't know if you can see, it might be like 2 or 3 tablespoons. It might not even be too much. So I'm going to leave it just like this, stirring everything around from the bottom all the way up. And I'm going to put a lid and let it continually cook. I'm going to place a lid and allow it to keep on cooking. Now it's going to steam for another 15 minutes. Lower down your heat to about a low, medium low. Put a lid, and now let this finish cooking for 15-20 minutes. I'm going to show you how this looks when this is all done. Alright my friends, look at that delicious brown rice. I just took off the top. It's been 20 minutes and I am just stirring it, getting it nice and fluffy. It is perfection, my dear friends. This is a delicious pot of brown rice. It smells so nutty, guys, and delicious. So this is our final step in making our delicious lime and cilantro brown rice. All right, so right here I have my brown cooked rice, and mind you, this is delicious as it is. You can eat it just like that. You don't have to spice it up if you don't want to. But since we are going to spice it up, this is what we're going to do. We have some limes, fresh limes, and I have here about 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro that I had posted in a mini chopper to make it really nice and fine and small. Now, this is all according to your taste. So, I am going to only put in about a half a lime, depending how juicy this is. And look at that, it's really nice and juicy. And what you gotta do is just stick it with a fork, and I feel like you get all the juices out this way. So you are just going to squeeze into this bad boy right here. Now if you like limes like that, you can use as many as you want. 2, 3, a whole lime, but I'm just going to use half for now. That's fine. And some of my cilantro, I'm just going to mix it in just to see how it looks, and then I'll be putting in the rest. And that's it, my friends. You can do this with white rice. And look at that, with the heat of the rice coming in, it really just perfumes. Wow, it smells so good. And you can really smell everything all together, and it looks and smells so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm definitely going to put a little bit more. Okay. I leave a little bit for garnishing on top, and that's about it, my friends. That's it. Super easy, super delicious, super healthy. Although you can use white rice if you like. I'm just going to see if I can squeeze out a little bit more. And, well, just a tiny bit comes out, and that's fine. So, just add as much as you like. You can use a whole lime or half. And then that's about it. Super easy, and it's done. Now let's do a quick little taste test. Alright guys, now it's time to do a taste test. It's so delicious and so refreshing and fresh. I just simply love this brown rice. Yum yum. So delicious. Love the taste of the freshness with lime juice, and the cilantro really does make it to be such a delicious dish. And you can have this with just about anything, any kind of protein, any kind of seafood, whatever you want to eat your brown rice with. It will go amazing with just about anything. Alright my friends, that's it. So super easy and simple, and now you can have it whenever. So thank you once again for joining me today in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Make this super easy, delicious, and healthy. Or if you don't want to use brown rice, use white rice. Still gonna taste amazing and so simple to make. So see you again. Take care. Bye bye.